This car looks absolutely stunning. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this. Wow. Boom. Here we have it. M2 CS specific interior. And then we have the CS, which is actually illuminated underneath the carbon. And here it is, guys. Welcome you today with the all new 2026 model BMW M2 CS. In today's video, I want to tell you everything you need to know about this car. We'll be giving you a full tour of the outside, showing you all the changes that come with the latest generation M2 CS. And then we will be also hopping in the inside, and we will be finishing it all off with a resume. So let's get on and let's start with today's video and the all new BMW M2 CS. This car looks absolutely stunning. We have the velvet blue metallic. We have the M2 CS specific wheels. We have a lot of special trim options only for the M2 CS. And let me show you the rear. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this. Wow. The all new M2 CS comes with a complete change on the rear. Just look at that. We have an additional ducktail here coming with the M2 CS exclusively, which looks extremely cool. This whole back part has been changed, finished in carbon fiber, and then we have this really cool design and aero feature of this additional ducktail, which is exclusively for the M2 CS here in specific. The car will be limited not by numbers, it will be limited by production time, and there will be not a lot built of this, so it will be quite exclusive car. The entire setup, the car looks extremely cool, but let me tell you more about the engine. Ay, 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 ay. Let's go. And here we go, guys. Here we have it, the 3-liter inline 6-cylinder M2 CS specific one. And did you know that we've got more horsepower? The cool thing about this, I mean, the base M2 CS with the LCI, we had 480 horsepower. However, with the M2 CS, we get 530 horsepower, so plus 50 horsepower. And yeah, this is quite impressive. And the CS specific engine mounting for the perfect look. And let me close that here. And in terms of power, yes, we have more power, and the car is even lighter. We have less than 30 kilograms compared with the regular BMW M2 LCI. Imagine more power, less weight, and an extremely cool looking car. What else do you need? It's quite interesting. On the left hand side, we have the BMW M2 Racing Editions. Looks really cool, made for the racetrack only. The M2 CS, however, is made for the streets and for the track as well. You can option it the way you want. There's quite a few options to choose from. For example, the wheels, the tires, and the brakes. But let me tell you what you will always get with the all new M2 CS. And what you do is you will get that CS styling here in the grille and the kidney. Looks pretty special. You have these, yeah, it's full finished in black gloss. M2 CS details inside, looks pretty cool. Finishes off the look. We have a full black matte front lip. Looks also really aggressive when you just face the car. So wow, I love that. Pretty cool. In addition, with the exterior paint, makes the car look so special. We have a wider body in the front and the back. The wheel arches are perfection in my opinion. And in addition to the CS specific alloys that we have here, it finalizes the look. With the CS specific driving dynamics package, we have a lowering of 8 millimeters, which is a lot. Makes the car looks so much better and drives way sportier. Let me show you the wheels. With the wheels, as I mentioned, we have the CS specific 19-inch here for the M2 CS. It looks really cool. In addition to the exterior paint here, we have the carbon ceramic brakes and the calipers finished in red. I love it. How do you guys like the wheels? I'm a huge fan of it. The only thing that's personally missing for me are the yellow headlights, the trim for that. I mean, we had that with the M3, M4 CS. Unfortunately, won't be getting that for the M2 CS. It's something that you're actually looking for, but unfortunately, they didn't get it homologated. So we'll just stick to the regular ones. Wider body front, wider body back. Ay, ay, ay. We have a full carbon fiber roof, which makes this car look so much better. We have the side mirror caps also finished in carbon fiber, matchy here with the roof. It's quite special in the back. We get 20 inches more concave wheels, full finished in this bronze golden. I love it. The CS specific wheels here makes this car look so good. It's especially with the color. I think with the color we get 4 different options, and this one being my favorite. And this is my favorite part of the car. It's so cool. The ducktail. I'm a huge fan of ducktails in general. I mean, here on the racing M2, you have this rear spoiler. It's a regular carbon fiber spoiler. It's an additional part. However, here on the M2 CS, they've completely changed it. Let me just show you. As soon as you open up the trunk, here you go. You see, it's full finished in carbon fiber. It's more like that and looks way cooler. M2 CS also here in the back. The ducktail makes the car look so special. It's my favorite part of the car. We have an M2 CS specific rear diffuser and the exhaust as well. I wonder how it sounds like. I mean, in addition with the ducktail, the exhaust setup and the wider body, the arches, makes this car look so cool. What do you think? Now, to finalize it, interior. Boom, here we have it. M2 CS specific interior is quite special in my opinion because we get a lot of CS specific interior trims. CS at this point not standing for club sport, standing for competition sport of BMW, and that's what you're getting in the inside here with the CS specific bucket seats, full carbon fiber. As soon as I actually unfold them, just watch this, full carbon fiber matching with the roof. Really cool, lightweight. The seat design is so cool. I love that. We have the M2 CS entrance board here as well, and something, one of my main highlights is here on the door. Just look at that. We have these carbon fiber details, and then we have the CS, which is actually illuminated underneath the carbon. In terms of interior spec, we have full black interior, we have a lot of Alcantara, we have a lot of carbon fiber, and yeah, let me just jump inside and show you more. Let me just close the door. Here we go. We are right inside the M2 CS. In the inside, we have a full carbon fiber trim here on the center console, coming with the CS exclusively. In the inside, we get a lot more carbon fiber all around, CS details here on the leather. And as I mentioned, this is actually illuminated in the carbon fiber. This is so cool. Let me just show you. So as soon as I go to the interior lights, and when I switch that off, watch this. What? How did they do it? Look. This is so cool. Wow. I mean, it's just a small little detail, but for me, it means a lot. Flat bottom, CS specific steering wheels, pretty thick. And we have the stitching matching the M colors here, 12 o'clock mark, flat bottom, frame also finished in carbon fiber. We have the shifters also finished in carbon fiber, and yeah, airbag cover here also finished in leather, which I really love. The interior is pretty special. I really like it a lot. Gives you a lot of race car feeling, and you know, all I want to do is just take that car. We're actually in Abu Dhabi right now and race it on Yas Marina circuit. How do you guys like the M2 CS interior? I love it. Unfortunately, I won't be able to start it, but let me show you more of the outside and finish it off. Well, this also looks pretty cool on the door panel. So look at this 3D elements here, integrated in the leather. Yeah, that's it with today's video, guys. How do you like the all new M2 CS? On the left hand side we have the M2 Racing. I am a huge fan of the car. I love this spec here in general. More power, less weight, and a pretty cool looking car. What else do you need? Unfortunately, regarding prices, I don't have any insights yet, Oh, did you see that? The CS emblem was illuminated on the seat. Pretty cool detail. My favorite part of this car is the ducktail. Wow, wow, wow. I love this so much. It's one of my favorite highlights of the M2 CS. In terms of pricing, I can't tell you more. Will be limited by production. The start of sales will be by summer, and then I think a few months later they will be already starting to deliver it this year. So yeah, how do you guys like it? Rate the car from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. How do you guys like the outside, inside, the wheels, the color, and the ducktail? Leave it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back